Okay, so this is for Dave, and he has the non-pro mobile ATM. And here when I go into page templates, I only see actually one default template. Anyway, this ID number here is what they're referring to in the spreadsheet here. So let's take a look at that. So since you only got one, I'm going to put one here. Okay. Let's center this thing. Okay, so Control C, we're going to paste that all the way down. So it's going to be business template 1. Now, in the Pro version right here that I have, you can see there's a bunch of different ones. Now I edited this original default number 1. There's 9 basic templates in the Pro version. So if we were doing restaurant here, let's see, it would be number 7. Actually, was what I would use. And here I put 7 as it pertains to pizza. Okay, so I'm going to put pizza in here as the niche. And we're going to copy that all the way down. Alright, let's narrow this a bit so we can see what's going on. Business location. Okay, we're going to put Georgia here because there's a bunch of places in Georgia. We'll just keep it to a state for you. Alright, copy that. And contact name, we're just going to leave that out because if you look at this template here, where's your template here? We'll go to edit here. Okay, so it basically says it doesn't really address anybody here. It says as you can see from above, etc., etc. So there's no addressing anybody within the actual email. It just says attention business owner up here. So that's good enough. We'll just leave it as that. Okay, back to the spreadsheet. So we're going to leave contact name empty. Phone numbers are all there. Email addresses, you know, I am gonna get rid of these big long ones because I think they're just gonna bounce, so heck with them. Let's get rid of these ones here. Highly doubt they'll make it. So we got 39 of them here. Okay. Now I also test these on an email validator, but I'm not going to get into that right now. My validator trial version expired, so I can't show it to you. But there is a email validator here. I'll show you where it is if you want to try it. Hang on a sec here. Okay, I just pulled up my dynamic mail validator is what it's called. You can look that up. You can Google it. And basically you have to go and copy your email addresses like this. Control C. Do a new sheet. Control V. And actually you just got to call this email like that. So it knows that's what it is. File and save as another format. Okay, and okay, there it is. Okay, so we're going to save it as a CSV file, and so we're going to call this pizza validator. Okay, there we go. Okay, we've created the CSV file for this mail validator, so now I'm going to open a list. It's not going to let me. Darn. Anyway, so the best I can tell you, I don't know, I might actually buy this one. It was not bad. So one of the better ones. But you open the list. There's no other way to do it here, and it'll come in here, and then you can just actually validate, and it'll tell you whether or not it's going to make it, because it comes from your IP address, and it'll give you a result here, and you can export the results. You can export the ones that worked, and so there you have it. That'll save you having bounced emails.